Understanding, not making headway, a guide to English phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we dive into the beautiful world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, not making headway. This expression can be a bit tricky to understand at first, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll be able to use this phrase like a native speaker. Not making headway means not making progress or not moving forward with something. It's often used to describe situations where someone is trying to achieve a goal or complete a task but is unable to advance due to various obstacles or difficulties. Think of it as trying to walk against a strong wind. No matter how hard you try, you just can't seem to move forward. The term headway originally comes from a nautical context, where it referred to a ship's forward movement through the water. When a ship wasn't making headway, it was struggling to move forward, possibly because of strong winds or currents. This vivid imagery has transitioned into everyday language to describe any type of stalled progress. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in everyday conversation and writing. Despite working on the project for months, we're not making headway due to constant changes in the requirements. She's been trying to learn French for a year now, but she feels like she's not making headway. The negotiation team is not making headway in their discussions with the union, which might lead to a strike. Using this phrase can help you describe situations where there's a lack of progress, emphasizing the frustration or difficulty being experienced. Understanding synonyms can help expand your vocabulary. Here are a few phrases that carry a similar meaning to not making headway. Stuck in a rut, at a standstill, hitting a wall, going nowhere fast. Each of these expressions can be used in slightly different contexts but revolves around the theme of lacking progress or movement. And that's a wrap on not making headway. We hope this video has shed some light on this expressive phrase and how you can use it to articulate feelings of stagnation or frustration with progress. Remember, learning a language is all about making headway, little by little. Don't get discouraged if you feel like you're not making progress at times. It's all part of the journey. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.